Alright guys, just out today doing a little ride chat. Gonna update you. We got 350 miles on the DRZ4S. I'm trying to get up some miles to get it broke in to do my first oil change. Gonna be heading up to the Chattahoochee BDR-X next weekend. Hopefully I can get that accomplished. Get the first oil change before I head up there. But so far the bike has performed flawless. I had a little bit of an issue with the Cycra Handguards after I took the bar end weights off from the factory bar end weights. I had some high frequency vibrations through the handlebars that just wasn't there with stock bar end weights, and I ended up putting the Barkbusters Bar End Weights. I'll put a link to that video in the description if you care to watch that. But man, it's really fixed these vibrations. I've got 0 vibrations in the handlebars now. Pretty much any speed up to 70. I haven't been over 70, but I've had 0 vibrations. Phenomenally smooth. This bike is very impressive, you know, as far as that's concerned. Whoa, we're about to drop it here in this deep sand. When in doubt, you gotta throttle out. We'll see how it does in the gravel. So 35, third gear, very smooth. Those Barkbusters Bar End Weights, man, they did the trick. 5th gear, 4th gear, 52, very smooth. So I was having the most problem, you know, chugging along lower speeds, really slow down and see how that feels. So 2nd gear, 20 miles an hour, 0 vibrations, nothing. 3rd gear, get the RPMs up, nothing, man, it's smooth as glass. No vibrations with those weights on the ends. Very smooth. These stock tires are hanging on pretty good. I got decent grip. Pretty impressed with that. Like I said, I'm still breaking this thing in. So I don't want to push it too hard, but I like to put a little load on the engine, you know. I baby it, but I don't want to baby it too much. It needs a little stress on it, I feel like, to really seat the rings and break it in properly. But even back there, I never gave it wide open. It was only maybe just over half throttle, briefly. And you can see it's got plenty of power. I mean, it pulls pretty hard. You know, chugging along these speeds, like suspension's a little bit choppy. You can hear my voice shaking. But this road, I don't know, it probably doesn't pick up on the camera, but it's nowhere near as smooth as it probably looks. It's pretty choppy. But man, this thing is a ton of fun. Makes you feel like a kid again. Life's pretty tough. If you can find something to make you feel like a kid again, it's worth it. It's kind of how I look at riding these motorcycles and stuff, and you think about the price of this stuff, but man, if it puts a smile on your face and you can feel like a kid again, it's priceless. My brother and I, we used to ride dirt bikes when we were kids. We'd ride through the woods and stuff. Kind of reminds me of stuff like that. So anyway guys, I just wanted to do a quick update, Handguards, and kind of give you an overall just update on the bike, how it's doing. Like I said, we got roughly 350 miles. I'll give you another update once I get it fully broken in and I can really wind it up and put it through the paces and see how she really performs. If you guys stuck around this long, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'm a newer channel and I'm just trying to get out and have some fun. And then I'll see you guys on the next one.